Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will explain to you how to use the Minimal Mockups pack. So you can create delightful UI mockups, quite like this one. So once you've purchased the pack and downloaded it, you can open it up and you will see all of the different file types available. We have Illustrator, Photoshop, Sketch, PDFs, SVGs, the whole repertoire. All of the files you need to use the Minimal Mockups in any software you like. So we're going to show you how to use it in Sketch, as the principle is the same in each software. Open up the document and you will find over 50 devices, everything from iPhones to Apple Watches, Chromebooks to iPads. And not just Apple devices, we've got the Android ones too. So what you need to do is select the device you want to use. Let's take this iPhone. The next thing to do is to drop in the mockup or image that you want to use in the design. So we're going to use this screenshot. Then all you have to do is go into the device and locate the layer named Display. With that, you select the display and your screen, and then all you do is mask that layer. In Illustrator, it's referred to as a clipping mask, but here in Sketch, we just call it a mask. And there we have it, that is masked. The next step is just to position it within the mask. What you can do is make sure that you have the screen selected and just wiggle it around until you like the composition. And there you have it. That is it. Easy peasy. Simply mock up your designs in these fabulous designs, and your work will be set on fire. And we will be adding all of the latest designs, all of the latest devices, as they appear each year. As you know, these big tech companies like to get the old capitalist machine flowing. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to assist you, or any suggestions on how to make this product better. I'm all ears. Thank you for listening. This